must have been pretty used to this. What's the biggest challenge right now?
Big stuff going on, and you can see some of that moisture being forced back from the area of low pressure, which is right here. It's a strengthening storm still, but since it's lifting up to the north,
The workers, they slept overnight downstairs.
They did.
I can't imagine downstairs is, the most pleasant place.
They said it was going to be a monster. They did say it would be epic. They also said it would be historic.
Did you see what I got?
Not yet.
You've reached Karen and Carle. Please leave a message. We'll get back to you right away. Thanks.
Karen did say that the hand warmers would really work to prevent my fingers from freezing. This is what they look like. They fit right in your glove.